So we're in the final stretches of the semester. We have 2 weeks left. I have a paper, presentation, and an exam left, and then I'm done with the classwork. There's still research, that never ends, but we're almost done with the semester at least. So as a little treat to myself, because I've been doing so much work, I decided I was gonna go shopping, and I splurged. I did. I went to Dollar Tree, and at Dollar Tree they had some of these little cute planters. It's like a new series. I don't know if they're coming out every season, a new series, but yeah. So I got those. I'm gonna show you them. You know, they're cute. I have an issue with the little cute pots. I know, but I can't help it. So I'm gonna show you real quick. First I'm gonna show you, they're not in the boxes, I took them out of the box, but this is just an example. They come with a little bag of vermiculite soil and some mint seeds. Now they all come with mint seeds. I'm only gonna plant one, and I'm gonna plant it in this guy. I will say the only thing that's kind of annoying is the shape holes are varying on each of the different types of pots. So I don't know, that was just something I noticed. It's kind of weird. That's it. So this is the first one. He's a little walrus. And I will say these guys, I think, are just like a little bigger than the other two, like series. So there's that. His name is Winston. Next, we have a polar bear. His name is Paul. His face is not symmetrical. Looks like he got smacked. But, yep. They don't have a drainage hole, but they're cute. Alright, the next one is a penguin. The penguin's name is Penny. And look how cute. And then my favorite one. And there's 2 reasons this one is my favorite. One, because it's a moose. It's a moose. It's a moose. And 2, the hole makes the most sense. Now the moose's name is Maggie. And she's very cute, very cute. Maybe she's a reindeer. Nah, she's a moose. She's a moose. She doesn't have a red nose. But yeah, so I wish they all had holes like Maggie. But for whatever reason, like the holes just don't make sense. They like this, like, I don't know. This I could put a little 2-inch pot in, no problem. This one I gotta bend it. Yeah, I don't know. So those are the 4 new pots that I splurged on at Dollar Tree. I'm gonna plant the little vermiculite and the seeds in here. I don't know if it'll grow. Some people say mint grows like a weed, but I keep killing it. I've tried peppermint, regular mint, spearmint. I at one point tried chocolate mint, which smells really good, but I end up killing it every time. I don't know. I just don't know. They don't want to live for me. I'm trying really hard not to make a mess. Okay. Actually, let me angle it down so you can actually see, right? Because you're just seeing me look down. Hold on. Alright, we got Wally, the walrus. I just, look, I made a mess. Damn it. Just pouring in this vermiculite soil. I've never used vermiculite, so it'll be interesting. I feel like it looks like goldish. Like, I wonder what is in vermiculite. Like, can you see the shine? Is that what vermiculite is? I'm gonna have to Google it, because now I need to know. it looks like this little, like, flakes. I need to know. Alright, get in there. Okay, so we got that. Very shiny, like sparkly, see? Alright. And the mint seeds, not leaves. I'm just gonna... They all come with mint seeds, so I might put all of the mint seeds in here because, I mean, I got it from Dollar Tree. I don't think they're really gonna take off. Just mix it because I don't know what else I'm supposed to do. And then I guess I'll splash it with a little bit of water. But yeah, so this is our little Dollar Tree mint experiment, I guess. And yeah, the soil is just so, it's so shiny. Okay. Alright guys, so that was just a quick little video showing you what I splurged on Dollar Tree. Alright guys, so until next time, relax, plant, and peace out.